Hello there, my name is Sara G. I'm a dietitian and diabetes educator, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for tuna cakes. This meal is amazing. It tastes so good. If you like spicy ahi or spicy ahi poke, this sauce is spicy ahi poke sauce. So you're gonna love this recipe too. And it's really fast. It takes less than 10 minutes to make, and most of the ingredients, especially if you live in Hawaii, are pantry staples. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is prep our veggies. Today I'm going to use carrots and some green beans. So I'm gonna peel the carrot and then slice it into some julienne slices. And if you do not have a tool like this, you need to go get one. I use this tool all the time, and I will post a link to this tool in the description below. Next up, we're gonna slice some green beans. I'm adding about 1/4 of a cup of each, maybe a little bit more. And then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of green onion. And I'm cutting everything on a bias. I think it just looks fancier that way. Then I'm gonna add the canned tuna. I prefer canned tuna in olive oil. I think it just tastes better. But of course, drain out whatever liquid is in there and add the canned tuna. And then look at the little eggs. The brown one is from the grocery store. The white one is from one of the feral chickens that lives around our house. So there's 6 of them, and it's like an Easter egg hunt every morning. They're always laying them either in our shed or the back of our truck. So it's kind of cool to get free eggs. Then I'm going to add some cracked black pepper. I'm adding a little bit of sesame seed oil, a little shoyu, a little sriracha, and guys, the recipe is in the description below. Then I'm going to grate a clove of garlic. You could also use garlic powder. And then this is the thing about having cats. Whenever you open up a can of tuna, there's no escaping the cats. And then a tablespoon of potato flour, and I'm gonna mix all of that together. And there's no escaping the cats, so I have to mix the mixture not on the counter because the cats are trying to get me. I've heated my pan to medium. I've added some olive oil, and then I'm just going to separate this tuna mixture into maybe 3 different patties. You could do 3 or 4. You could even do 1 big patty and make like a fish sandwich. That would be good. And then I'm just gonna cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's browned. This recipe is near and dear to my heart because I used to have a diabetes support and education group class, and the classes would run for about 3 months. We would meet once a week, and then once a month I would do a food demo, some kind of maybe blood sugar friendly food demo, and we'd all enjoy a nice little meal. And this one lady, she was so sweet. She loved to cook, and one day she brought these tuna cakes to the group class to share with everybody. And I was like, oh my god, these are amazing, you need to give me the recipe. So she just verbally told me, just put tuna, eggs, shoyu, sesame seed oil. And that's another reason why I love this recipe, because you really can't mess it up. Like, you can just eyeball everything and it always tastes amazing. So she verbally gave me the recipe, and then from then on, every single diabetes group class that followed that one class that she was in, I would demo the tuna cakes. And then I had a healthy lifestyle class, and I would always make the tuna cakes. And I had my little hot plate, and we'd meet in a big conference room. And whenever I made these, the staff from the clinic would all come, and they'd be like, oh my gosh, what smells so good. But I'll always remember Gail, because she was so nice, and she was the one who turned me on to these tuna cakes. So thank you, Gail. In the spirit of 10-minute meals, I do not have any rice cooked, so I'm just going to use the pre-cooked microwavable rice, ready in 1 minute. Okay, so while the tuna cakes are cooking, I'm going to make the spicy aioli. I'm using equal parts mayo and sriracha. So for this amount, I'm doing 1 tablespoon mayo, 1 tablespoon sriracha, a little sesame seed oil, a little shoyu, and that's it. And you could add more or less sriracha depending on how spicy you like it. But like I would say for any fish, this sauce. I've got protein and some healthy fats from the tuna patty. I've got, oh, and then also in the tuna patty I've got the veggies, so I've got some phytonutrients, vitamins and minerals. I've got some whole grain from the rice, that's my carbohydrate. And then I've got more veggies with the cucumber kimchi, and as a bonus, since it's fermented, I'm getting some probiotics as well. So such a quick meal, and it's balanced. So good. Thank you for watching, guys. I will be uploading a new video every Sunday. If you don't want to miss the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Until next week, wishing you health and happiness. Aloha.